All right, we appreciate your patience. Pilots, rearm your quads. Live on the tone, lesson 5. Starting with 5, even though we have some contact, we still have 5 in the air, and there's no hole shot rule in qualifying, maybe in brackets. Schedule pending, patent pending. Peace and love, peace and love. 30 seconds in, 90 seconds still to go. Mookie, your leader. The carousel gate, back left-hand corner. Coming over our hurdle towards our start-finish gate. And looking for the blue and purple LEDs. That's your leader, Mookie, here in this heat with the 47.3 to open things up. Next through the start-finish gate, Sparky the Gray with the 52.7. As they work on that lead lap now, lap number 2. We're at the midway point, a minute in, about 55 seconds remaining on that master race clock. Just living that dream every day and every way. .30 seconds still on the clock as Mookie crosses onto lap number 3. He's going to need to do this next one with the 33 if he wants to get on to lap 4. Right now his best time, 3 laps, 2 minutes 9. He's going to exceed it. He's in 9th, going to go deeper into the top 10. 15 seconds still to go. Sparky the Gray gets onto lap number 3. Goose FPV working on lap number 2. Beard Machine getting onto lap number 2. 5 seconds to go before it's a checkered flag. The way this works, if you're just joining us, the tone starts a clock, they launch, and it's as many laps as they can do in the 2 minutes allotted to decide our top 32 advancing to our 2 championship brackets. 3 laps in 2:01 for Mookie. And that's a personal best. That's going to move him up into 6th. Beard Machine FPV, 2 laps in 2 minutes 11. That's a personal best as well, shaving 5 seconds off his round 1 time. Course is still hot for a few. Goose FPV, 2 laps in 2 minutes 24. Sparky the Gray, 3 laps in 2:25. And we still have Buddy L. Green trying to wrap things up. Mookie, this one doesn't count. Mookie, you're done. You missed the 4th lap by 1.9 seconds. 1.9. You almost got onto lap 4. That's the bad news. The good news is you're 6th. So you're all, I think you're 6th. Yeah, you're 6th. Buddy L. Green seems to be in some netting. Now he's on the AstroTurf. Are we going to try it? We're going to turtle mode. We're going to retrieve it. We have movement. Trying to flip the craft remotely. We're gonna hit some buttons.